Welcome back guys, this is Zuniga Security for cybersecurity. Today we're gonna talk about the XSS attack. So before we get started, just a little intro. Okay, so the XSS attack, or the cross-site scripting attack, basically allow an attacker to run some JavaScript code, and he can access to the DOM browser victim, and for example he can steal his credential, he can impersonify this user, he can read a lot of data that the user normally can read, and much more. So let's see a simple schema for this kind of attack. Okay, so this kind of attack, XSS, has a lot of ways. There are a lot of kind of XSS, so here there are much more. But now we're gonna see two main of XSS. So the stored or the persistent or the non-persistent non-persistent or reflected. Good. Okay, so let's get started with the non-persistent. Okay, here we have the victim client, here we have the attacker server, and here we have our bank account, our bank site. Let's go. So the first thing is, for example, this is a way to do that, but for example, a victim will visit a website that in this case will be theevil.com. This site will send back to the victim a malicious page that contain, for example, a script. Now the victim will link to the bank account and request, for example, the login page. Then the server will send back this page. Now is the moment that this script will be executed. And let's say that this script will show us the username and the password. So this script will be executed and the output will be sent to the attacker site. And this is how the non-persistent XSS works. Okay, now let's go with the persistent or stored XSS. Here we have our attacker server, our user victim, and our bank server. Let's go. The first step is that the attacker will inject some malicious script inside the server. So now we have this malicious script stored into the server bank of the bank. Now let's say that the victim will request a page to the server, and this server will send back both the page but also this malicious script. Now the client, the victim, will execute the script And let's say that this script will transfer all the money of this user to an anonymous account for the attacker. And that is what will be done. So the bank will transfer all the money of this, for example of this victim, to this anonymous account that is related to the attacker server. Okay guys, so now let's jump into a lab for this kind of attack. So here we are onto the damned vulnerable web application, and let's go into the XSS reflected section. Let's try to write Zuniga. Hello Zuniga. And as we can see, there is here to the name. But now let's try with a simple script with an alert that will show us a pop-up, a message, and let's submit. And here we are, our reflected XSS. Now let's go into the stored and with the name Zuniga, the script. This will be the stored XSS, and let's go. Okay, so now the script is inside the server. So now let's say that another user, for example, will visit this page. Go right here into the stored section, and boom, the script is been executed. So hope you enjoy guys. If you did, don't forget to drop me one of those to say yo Zuniga, I'm here to help you. Guys, please leave a comment below to tell me how I can improve my contents for you, my skills, and if you have any advice for this channel, just leave a comment below. So see you next time, peace.